Hello, Dr. Jyothi Sharma. Welcome to SQ TV.
Thank you so much, Rajni. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
If you can, please talk about the importance of cleaning female parts. How important is it for women to clean her, private parts, and also if you can talk about the importance of female hygiene.
This is actually, Rajni, is a very important part, which usually missed by females in India specifically, because the concept of hygiene is poor. I should not say this, but it is like that. It's a fact. Maintain her, hygiene of private parts as she cleans her face, right?
Okay.
This is more important than cleaning your hands. It is said like that it is more important to clean your private parts than your hands. Why? Because if you avoid cleaning the private parts, the most common thing is bad odor, right? Odor will always be there. Infections can occur. Okay. And moreover, if nothing happens, then the lady would feel uncomfortable because of itching, irritation, burning, that might happen. So one should thoroughly clean her private parts and maintain the hygiene.
But doctor, I would like to know from you that, the women who actually ignores these things and don't take care about these particular things, because, it is India and people, women are not much educated about it. So they don't consider it as much in comparison to other things. So I would like to know from you, if you don't take care of your private parts as in a hygienic way, if you don't take care of it, if you don't clean it properly and you don't maintain the hygiene, so can you also get some diseases, or can some bacteria or viruses, affect you?
Yes. That's what I said. That infections might occur if you don't clean your private parts properly. Bacterial infections are common. Bacterial vaginosis can occur. That gives rise to severe itching with bad odor. And of course, the infections can travel up to the pelvic part also, like uterus, and might affect the tubes as well. I mean, there's long consequences. Okay, infertility might happen because of that, because of infections. Okay. And moreover, the other infections like fungal infections, viral warts can occur. These all can troublesome. These all can be very troublesome to the patient. Okay, though might be not hazardous to life, but it's troublesome. So one should avoid it.
Okay. I mean, definitely one should avoid it. You actually have mentioned a great point here. But also, doctor, there are so many products available in the market, in the name of vaginal washes and female, private part washes. So I would like to know from you. So does a woman really, need it, or for cleansing, or water is sufficient for maintaining the hygiene?
Yeah, in my personal opinion, water itself is sufficient enough to clean the private parts. See, to maintain a hygiene, first thing is to keep the area dry. Why infections occur? Because जो ये आजकल है कि फैशन या जो भी लिंगरीज हैं, they are not actually cotton. 100% cotton should be used for underwear. Okay. So that it soaks the all your sweat and keep it dry. Okay. The synthetic fibers don't soak the sweat properly, so it is wet, and wet surface gives rise to a growth of bacteria and virus, etc. Okay, so first to keep it dry and to clean. As you asked, I never recommend the commercially available things like douches and all. They are not necessary. Rather, they can harm in the form that they have some fragrance. So, वो जो fragrance के लिए जो chemical डाला गया है उसमें, that might irritate your vagina. That might give rise to irritation and further infection. And most important thing is, it might destroy, I'm not saying it will destroy, but it might destroy the normal bacterial flora of vagina. Okay. So, जो बैक्टीरियल फ्लोरा जो नॉर्मल होते हैं वो अगर डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाएंगे तो पीएच चेंज की वजह से इन्फेक्शन ज्यादा होंगे. प्रिवेंशन के, राइट? So I don't recommend them. I don't. I always tell my patients that cleaning should be proper, like in between the skin folds, the between vulva and
Yeah.
that area should thoroughly clean. No pent up secretions should be there. Like one might insert after getting married, I mean, one might insert her finger inside the vagina and clean out the pent up secretions. That's all
Okay.
one should do. Okay.
Okay.
No need for a specific soap or douches or this thing. Douches are necessary when at times we recommend when patient has bad odor problem and
Mm-hmm.
it cannot be treated because it has no reason for that.
Okay.
मतलब कोई
Yeah.
इन्फेक्शन प्रॉपरली नहीं है, कोई
Hmm.
चीज नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी ओडर है, तो उसको
Yeah.
ट्रीट करने के लिए एज वी यूज परफ्यूम्स, राइट, वो उस तरह की चीज है कि वो उसके
Okay.
लिए आप यूज कर लें बैड ओडर को हटाने के लिए.
Mm-hmm.
अदरवाइज फॉर क्लीनिंग आई वोंट रिकमेंड.
ओके, तो ये जितने भी प्रोडक्ट्स जो मार्केट में अवेलेबल हैं इन द नेम ऑफ वेजाइनल वॉशेस एंड प्राइवेट पार्ट वॉशेस, सो ये हार्मफुल हैं कहीं ना कहीं, बिकॉज इसमें कुछ ना कुछ क्वांटिटी में तो केमिकल यूज होता ही होता है.
एग्जैक्टली ये नहीं
ओके.
करना चाहिए यूज.
ओके. ओके. परफेक्ट. एंड
जब तक कि
ऑल्सो.
प्रॉपरली कोई डॉक्टर आपको रिकमेंड नहीं कर रहा है फॉर सर्टेन पर्पस. ओके, तब तक
ओके.
नहीं.
एंड डॉक्टर, व्हाट अबाउट दोस पीरियड डेज?
What are those period days? I mean, to maintain a hygiene?
Yeah, no, to wash, when you, I
Yeah.
mean, get those blood flow and the smell and the odor.
Yeah.
So at that, for those days, can one use these things?
Need. See, it's personal choice. If one wants it troublesome to have that odor. See, in my personal opinion, no odor can occur if you
Maintain the hygiene. True.
फर्स्ट थिंग है ना, कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं अराइज होता है कि फिर भी कुछ हो. लेकिन चलिए, कई बार किसी किसी का स्वेटी या नॉर्मल बॉडी सिक्रीशन से कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर लिए होते हैं और जो कि नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है तो यूज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर पीरियड्स के दौरान 4 to 6 आवर्स में पैड्स अगर यूज कर रही है लेडी, तो 4 to 6 आवर्स में अगर पैड चेंज किया जाए, ये टेम्पोन्स भी यूज कर रहे हैं तो भी 4 आवर्ली अगर चेंज किया जाए, I don't feel कि there should be any odor.
तो जितना हो सके try and avoid these products and rather try to maintain your hygiene with normal water.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's